Welcome to another edition of PPP with Paul and Dan. I'm Paul, and this certainly isn't Dan. March 15th is a very important tax deadline, so we've given him the day off. But if you remember, a few weeks ago, I promised to bring on a technology expert to discuss the recent changes. So today, I'm here with Julia Deien, one of our leaders of Anders Technology Group. Julie's been with Anders since 2006 and continues to grow our cloud offering practice. As the entire world went remote last year, Julia's background and expertise in cloud services really helped to advise and educate our clients and prospects on how technology could help them push their business further towards their goals. So Julia, with the changes that PPP incurred on December 27th, there was a line that said cloud services were going to be added as an approved expense. So can you just explain a little bit about how and what that really means?
Sure, I'd love to. So cloud services is a very broad technology term that changes how you spend your money on technology. Most businesses can remember having to pay a large sum of money when they needed to do a hardware refresh. This often was a result of their main business application change or hardware being out of date. Now, almost everything is offered as a service versus a capital investment.
So pretty obvious that our world has certainly changed. So when you're talking to your clients, what type of cloud services are clients really asking about?
Well, at the beginning of 2021, our team started working closely with our clients to better understand their goals for this year. What we found is many clients are looking to do more with automation, change their main business application to work more efficiently, or even test out cloud infrastructure. In 2020, everything we spent time on educating our clients for the last few years came to the top of the list, meaning companies started communicating and accessing main business information from anywhere instead of just behind their business walls. Finding applications and automations that can be accessed from anywhere with security and protection has been added to the client goals for their 2021 initiatives. So the main points we continue to push with their clients are: what processes or applications did not perform up to their standards in 2020, and do they need to be reevaluated in 2021 to fit their growth goals? Do you feel your security standards are where they should be? And the third question is, what business decisions did you struggle with in 2020 because you didn't have the information fast enough? Each of these questions are technology initiatives that fall under the cloud services. So if you have been thinking about changing your main business application, or adding in more security practices, or even building dashboards for your business, now is the time to do it because of the opportunity with the PPP funds.
So Julia, these are really all great points. And another really important point to remember is that early on, the strategies seemed to say, let's use 100% of payroll costs to really apply for forgiveness. In most cases, the best strategy now, though, is really a blend of the payroll costs and really the other expenses to ensure that you maximize forgiveness and take advantage of the stimulus related opportunities that are out there now. These things are changing every day, it seems like. So we do know that you're required to use at least 60% of payroll costs, but I wouldn't underestimate the value of all of these other expenses. It's going to help you maximize your forgiveness, but it's still going to allow you to take advantage of, as I said earlier, these other stimulus programs. Well, I think we're out of time. So thanks, Julia, and thank all of you for joining us today, and have a great week.
Thank you, Paul.